Hi, ladies, and welcome. Finally, I got to another little haul today we're going to do. I'm going to do modeling if you wait for me till I get a little bit more in shape and a little bit more pieces that I'm looking to buy. I'm not doing anything like anybody else here on my channel for fashion or makeup or beauty. I wouldn't be Jeanine if I didn't do it my way. I'm not going to talk like it's a preachiness. It's very, very casual. These are just my ideas and what I do with my clothes, my style, and how I, dress, what I buy, things like that. You like it, you like it. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. It's just my style. So first and foremost, you guys know I went shopping for my birthday and I bought a few things. Excuse the construction in my neighbors next door. They're renovating. Give you one example of why I buy classic pieces. I had talked to you guys, and I'm going to do many more segments about lots of things, especially how to shop for classic pieces that will last you forever. This shirt is about 2 years old. I bought it in New York at Banana Republic on clearance on a sale. It's like a $50-something shirt, like $58. I paid $15. Okay, it's classic. This was their new cut off. I don't know what you call this. They're doing it again this season, and that's Millie with her toy. And I didn't wear it yet for going out or anything, but I said, hey, let me put it on, show everybody just to see. Classic collar shirts, button down, short, cropped, whatever, never go out of style. So I hope you like this one. The jeans are just old ones I'm playing with. I bought them. I cut off the bottoms. I won't show you the back. They were too tight on me. I didn't want to return them. So I cut the back, and I'm going to be having them go to the tailors to have that structured. Anyway, let's get to it. This is a black dress. Okay, these are the dresses they sell every year at Old Navy. And basically I paid, this was $19.99 full price, okay? I think I paid 50% off. I think I got this dress for $10, okay? It's nothing crazy special. It's cotton. For me, it's a medium because I like it loose. It should be loose in here. And I'm not at my weight right now. You guys know that. I'm stressing it, and that's why I'm shy and don't want to model things, because I don't have that confidence to make it look the best for you. And I want that. I want you to see when that happens. It's not happening yet. Okay. So anyways, this is something typically you see the girls. I see the girls and young ladies wearing these with their sneakers, real cash, hanging about town. But you could wear it like that. I bought it like that because I don't have any sneaker dresses, and it's cotton. But if you wanted to, and I'm going to do another segment on dressing up all kinds of things, just so you get ideas. Now, I don't have a big budget, but look how nice now. If you wore this with an elegant belt, you singed it in. That's why you like the bottom, that it has that little bit of flare. Now it's not just a t-shirt for sneakers. I looked at it in the store and I said, it's got that little bottom flare, which lends, a little bit of, I don't know what he's doing in the closet there, but I apologize. So anyways, let's talk above his tapping on the door here, his wall. You put the black belt with it, and now it's something entirely different. Okay, you can dress this up. You really, really could. I would. I'm stuck on my own buckle here. Okay, this wouldn't be me without Janine's faux pas and happenings. So that's one idea. It's cotton. Or if you just want to wear it, like I said, around town in the summer with sneakers, there it is. $10, ladies, $10, and I'm going to have to go knock on his door and tell him if he could keep it a little bit down. I don't know. We'll try to get through because they are renovating my neighbor's apartment, and I'm going to start hitting back in about a second. He doesn't know that I'm on a channel doing a video, so I really can't blame him. He doesn't know that, and they got to get the work done. We renovated too. Okay, let's move on to the next dress here. This is a little bit more fancy because it's linen, okay? This is linen, but again, original full price was $45. It was 50% off. I don't buy full price for nothing. I pay clearance or 50%. I have to have a sale, and when I see sale items, that's when I hunt for classic pieces, because these are the things that will take you through for years. Trust me, I'll be wearing this shirt in 10 years with black leggings in a flat, with new jeans of 10 years from now, whatever have you. This isn't going out of style. It's not. So those are the pieces I preach and always buy for myself. Again, I'm heavier than I want to be right now. Normally I'm a small. I bought the medium. Why? Because if I lost weight and I wanted to wear this and it felt a little big, I would cinch it with a belt. I would change it or do something. I would make it more summery with a scarf, something, and a sandal. I would grab it, roll it up, and put it in my vacation bag because it's just linen's timeless classic. It has these nice darts in the breast area, which are nice. Looks a little bit more expensive. It has pockets, so we like that. And can you see yourself romping around in the afternoon on vacation here? I wish I had had this with me when I was in Spain. I would have worn it to a nice lunch. But I try to bring things. I always do bring a lot of nice things on vacation, but I wind up in most comfortable shorts most times. But I like having them. You never know. And this, when I do my segment, I'm going to show you how you could dress this elegant. You could dress this fancy enough to wear to a wedding in the summer. I would and could. I could and would. So I want to share that with you. Let me put what's shown over here so I don't get all confused because you know I'm not a fashion mogul. Now this is something new for me even. It ties in the back. It has that. I mean, you know, if you took the tags off delicately, I guess you could probably even wear this both ways. I'm not sure, but I wouldn't. Again, it was $25. This is Old Navy. Is this Old Navy? No, I'm lying. I'm sorry. I apologize. This is Universal Thread. This is Target. Target to everyone. Target to in the know. Target. And I don't have anything like this. And we are going to be traveling in November. And they're going to be at a wedding. And then I know I may have events or a dinner or something that I'm going to need to get out of my shorts and jeans. So I said, let me get this. It is my size now. Normally these I don't wear because they kind of suffocate my belly and they emphasize it. And I don't like that. But when I was in the dressing room and I tried this on and I sucked it in and put a little on my tippy toes, I said, okay, 10 pounds later, I'm going to look great in it. And this is my inspiration piece. This is the piece I'm hoping makes me continue with my diet. I like the pattern because, again, pattern will disguise. It won't, like as if they were stripes, it distracts. So this is going to distract from my tummy area anyways. And it really looks nice on, and it's so out of my comfort zone because it's pretty. It made me feel feminine. I could dress it up lightly. I would wear something more delicate with it. Maybe just an earring and a really nice sandal. I wouldn't go crazy because there's a lot of pattern going on here. When I see that, I tend not to want to put too much jewelry because they'll fight with each other. If I had a big gold choker here and this pattern, it's too much. So a nice earring up here at this level and the dress, that's the way I would wear this. But hey, come on guys, full price $25. Love that. So I bought that. I'm going to hit this man in about 5 seconds because he's getting on my nerves. He's getting on my nerves with the noise. Okay, this, guys, you've seen me wear this out to my birthday. I love this. Again, this is the Universal Thread from Target. I don't have the tag, but I believe this shirt was only $18, sweater shirt. And I love these, even in the summer. I just like the style of it. I really do. And I wore it with beige linen pants and a cute little shoe. I loved it. Again, you'll get a lot of mileage out of this. This could go spring, fall. I would wear this in September up until it starts feeling too cool to wear, you know? I just love it, but I would wear it anytime in the summer. I'm in Florida. It's April, and I wore it. And the truth is, I wasn't uncomfortable. Every restaurant you go, you have AC, so this is a time I wear that. Okay. What else we got? Now we're going to go to some simpler stuff. This I fell in love with. Let me show you this. This is something, I love denim. I'll never get tired of denim. I'm a 70s girl. I love my jeans till the end of the day. And I never seen a tank in denim this thick, this heavy, luxurious, meaning for me, the minute I looked at it, I said, oh God, this can only get better with time. This is going to get softer. It's going to get nicer. I can imagine 10 different styles of necklaces here. It's got a pocket. Very, very pretty. I put it on. It does not look as much or as nice as it does on. I promise you. I'm fussy. And I thought on the rack, I said, I don't know about that, a denim tank. But I promise when I model it for you, I will show you, because I will. I'm going to model this because I love it so much, and I want to show you just how pretty it can transform and how casual it could stay if you want that bohemian look. Either way. But I am going to wear it, and I love it. And this, again, $24. This for me was a splurge. I normally wouldn't spend $24 for something this simple, but I did because I love it. And I know it's going to last forever and ever and ever. Now I got some stuff that's just really cash. I just wanted you to see, because I'll tell you why. This looks like, oh, well, Jeanine, what's that? A button-down tank? No big deal. It is a kind of big deal, because you know why? The buttons and the design make it fancier, more dressy. This is more, you could wear this with a pair of real cash white shorts on a resort for lunch or something and not look like you're in just a regular kind of, there's no nicer way, a froppy tank. This is a little bit upgraded from a froppy tank for me, you know, because you could wear something nice with it, a nice piece of jewelry. I got the medium, and I just think that's good for $12. The way it's made, the thickness of the cotton, really nice. Again, the universal threads. I'm starting to be a fan of that at Target. I really am, because I see lots and lots of stuff in their line. This is just Old Navy. I put it to take to New York, which is silly because I'm going to be at Old Navy in New York. But like I said, I grab stuff when they're on sale. I grabbed it because it was on sale here. It might not be when I get to New York. And in New York, I need more long sleeve. And again, the cotton's nice, better quality. I got it super cheap. It was $19.99. They were 50% off. This is a good $10 shirt. It's a great $10 shirt to me. Okay. Now we're going to go real classic. And you always should have this in your closet. I keep them in both places. I'll never stop buying them, and especially when they're on sale. Your classic white button down. It is timeless. It is beloved in the fashion world and every woman's wardrobe that I've ever seen. Every fashion person on YouTube shows the white. It's classic. There's nothing more classic. It's beautiful. It really is. And this is a very lightweight one. And I like that, because same with the one I'm wearing. Some of them can be heavy. And while people think, oh, it's better made, it's good heavy grade, I don't like it. I don't like the way it feels on me. I like very light. And if I can't afford a $60 linen white one, let me tell you, this is a steal. And it was, again, 50% off. It was $15. Okay? And very lightweight. This is the kind of, see, it even says the classic shirt. Now, this is funny. Try these on wherever you shop or wherever you go, because I'm not a big girl. I think I'm not up top, maybe down here, but my both shoulders and my arms and my I don't know what you call this, my upper section, I'm not big at all. But I don't want anything clinging. Things tend to run small. This, ladies, I bought in a large. Okay? This is a large. In order to have it fit me the way I like, I had to go up to a size, because right now I'm actually medium. I went up a size, and I put it on, and the truth of the matter is it's just loose enough. So they must run small, and sometimes, you know, they don't have the best, sometimes I think they're weird sizes, or sizes that something went wrong. That's why they could afford to sell them so cheap at Old Navy. But in any event, I love it. I'm going to dress this up with jeans for you guys. I'll show you how many outfits and looks. I wouldn't even say outfits, just how many different looks you can get out of it. All right, here's a piece. I really love this shirt. Oh, my God. This was my sale of the day, my deal of the day. I went shopping at TJ Maxx, wasn't even looking for clothes. Look at this, the detail on the back. It has a little pearl button in the back with, I don't know what you call this. I think it's a keyhole. Sometimes it's in the front of a blouse. And it has a little bit of the poof sleeve, a little bit of a puff with a nice edge bottom, which gives it that luxurious look. When I put this on, you'll see exactly why I like it so much. It seamed well. It feels almost like a cashmere blend. And this was $13 for me. which I thought was a thrilling sale. Not really, because regular price on this shirt was $16.99 and designer price was $32. That's what TJ Maxx will always show you. The designer original suggested retail, the other stores regular price for TJ Maxx, and then their sale price if you're going to get it on sale there. See, here it is at the bottom. Manufacturer's suggested retail price on this shirt is $59. And it is just like a 15. That's why they suggest it, because it's in that fabric category, you know? And this is by somebody called Cece. I don't know. I like you, Cece. We're going to get along good. And I'm going to show you a pair of jeans I'll be modeling with that Cece shirt, because I put them on, and I'll talk briefly about jeans. That's going to be a whole other thing, because I'm going to do how to dress up jeans. I'm going to go through t-shirts. Not every white t-shirt's the same. And I got to catch up, but I'm not worried, because there's thousands of videos out there. Everybody has their own opinion. Everybody has their own style. Everybody has their own way of putting them together and talking about them. So I'll have my hand at it soon, hopefully. But until I get there, Lucky Brand jeans are usually pretty pricey for me. They don't fit me. I love them. I try them. They have a store by my apartment in New York that is just Lucky Brand. And I walked in there one day super excited because everything was 50% off. And if I tell you, their $100 jeans were $50. Their $50 jeans were $20. It was like Candyland. But every single pair this girl tried on was choking my stomach. I couldn't fit anything. I was so upset and bummed out. I really was. So when I saw these, okay, at TJ Maxx, Lucky Brand, I thought to myself, and I think a lot of people already know this. Well, it's new to me, and if you don't know it, I'll share it with you too. I thought elastic is good, right? That's not enough though. They're not only elastic, they're a size bigger than I would normally be, a 29 waist. I bought these in a 30 waist, which to them is a 10. I don't think so. They fit me now at my highest weight, okay, which is 140. Stop it, it's Daddy. Vinny's coming home. They fit me now at my highest weight, and they're elastic. But when I lose 10 pounds, because they're elastic, they'll still look fine. They won't look big on me. And I'll show you the transition if I ever get to lose the 10 pounds. I'll take you there with me, and I can't wait to go there, please. But these jeans, they came already with the bottom cut off. Okay, love them. And they're kind of high-waisted. With that black top, they look phenomenal, and they make me look skinnier than I already am. That's what I wanted to share with you. It's not how much you weigh, but what you wear and how you wear it. Because there are shirts and things, if I come out here, let me tell you something, I showed you guys in my closet, I actually look 3 months pregnant, maybe 4 months. But when I put these jeans on with that black CC top and a little bit, not even a high heel, just I had one of my pumps on, a low pump, fantastic. My belly kind of disappeared. If I really wanted to stay where I am now weight-wise and be able to go out and dress and feel comfortable and look good, and if I wanted, I could. You know, I'm trying to get to a goal for feeling better without clothes and worrying about playing tricks right now. But if I go out, these jeans are in my closet, that shirt's with me, and I know I won't feel all upset about having to go out, nothing to wear, what should I put? No, I know exactly what to put now and what to wear, because I'm collecting these pieces. I have a good amount of them. You do too, and we'll share them together. And next time, hopefully, maybe I'll be a few pounds lighter, but I'm not going to model because it takes a long time. I'll do some. If you really want it, see me in something, put it in the comments, because I do love to answer anybody who's viewing me, any subscribers, and I really enjoy that. But if people aren't asking, I'm not going to go through all that, because it's quite lengthy and it's time consuming, and I have to put lighting, which you don't see now. The whole dining room and living room is restructured just to share a little haul with you guys, and I don't mind. I love it. I love it. But to model each outfit's going to be a little bit more time consuming. I'm going to get to a few more segments. I think next I want to do, I think I'm going to do jeans next, how to do the dress up your jeans. And then after that, we'll go through accessories. Again, and if there's something particular you want to know more about, accessories, how to wear white t-shirts, how to wear your best white button down, what dresses do you like most, just put it in the comments. If I could do it, you got it. All right, ladies, till the next time, I will see you. It was a pleasure. It's too much fun for me, so I hope it is for you. And if you can, please subscribe. It helps this little channel grow. And Jeanine's other side. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one.